Okay, we now have something of this nature. Okay, I think everyone can see. Okay, then the thing is, now this thing is not straight like I did, so I must find out what is the distance from here to here. It is 75. Okay, then 75 divided by 2, it's 37.5. all right, so from here I'll measure 37.5, 35, 36, 37. Okay, so here, then also this side I measure 37. Okay, then I try to make it bold now, right? I think it's correct now, so I can make it bold so that you also can see what's going on. Right? See? Okay, then inside here we have a hole with a diameter 36. Then you say 36 divided by 2, I think it's 18. Yeah, 18. Right, so we're gonna measure from the center. We're gonna measure 18, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 36. Right, then it's a hole, right? Just draw a line like this. Okay, then our item number 1 is not done yet. Okay, we have something like this at the side, but for now let us not stress about it. Okay, let us move. Okay, our item number 2 have a diameter 36 here, and from here to here it's 44. From here to here, from here to here it's 44, right? So let us see, it's 44. 36. I think it's gonna fit here. Okay, let us put it down. Our item number 2 is diameter 36, then from here to here it's 44. Okay, we measure 44, something. It's gonna end somewhere. Then we move the distance from here to here, it's 88. Okay, let me find the calculator first. Okay, then 88 divided by 2, it's 44. So then it's that 44. So I'm gonna say 44 plus 6, it's 50. So I'm gonna measure 50 right now to cater 46. Okay, 50, 50. but 50-50 selling on 50-50 kwabasho njalo besimama beyinsuku zokugcina. I think it's clear. Okay, then from here upward it's from here to the center it's 48, then from here upward it's 18, so we're gonna say 48 plus 18. 48 plus 18, okay, it's 66, the whole thing 66. Okay, let us try to move fast. It's 66. Then we're gonna measure 6 on this side, on the other side. Okay, 5, 6, 6. Okay, let us move. We don't have time. Time is not on our side. We measure 6. Yeah, we measure 6. Right now I have something of this in nature. Okay, let me try to make it bold so that everyone can see. Okay, then we have a hole here which is diameter 15. See that hole? It is diameter 15, so we're gonna measure 7.5 from the center. Okay, the center is at 48. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we measure 7.5. 5, 6, 7. Okay, now it's something of this nature. We have a center line here. Center line. But goalkeeper uyipholele ngimephi kwe-center line. Umephi kwe-center line hayi ukuthi kanjani. Right, our hole here is like this. Then I make it bold so that you can see that we are moving. We're moving. One step at a time. Okay, right, we have something like this now. You squish. How she pin lap? I open it. Right, I am back. Okay, then we have item number 2 now with a diameter 15 here. This hole is 15, so we're gonna look for something which gonna fit here, right? Let us see. Okay, check item number 4. Okay, its shaft, it's diameter 15, so it's gonna fit in this space, and it is 112. From here to here it's 112, so I think it's gonna fit Okay, then we also look at item number 3. It also have diameter 15, so I think item number 3 will be in this space, and then we have our item number 4, which gonna we are item number 4 zobenza behlangane item number 3 no item number 2. Okay, cabanga ukuthi kuyezwakala lapho. Ngizama ukuyikhatha so qale ngekhoza isikhathi kuba nzima uku-uploada mayesiyinde.